Of the 3 people there, I only see one who has acknowledged any fault on her own part here, and it's the youngest. We read it in your complaint. I admit I was throwing a fit. I was really angry. I did this, I did that. And what I see over there is righteous indignation, like this young upstart who's ungrateful, and I don't see any remorse on this side. Am I missing it?
Yeah.
Tell me, what is your responsibility in this?
Everything starts with one thing and it escalates.
Okay, but not everything. I want to know what you take responsibility for.
I take responsibility for overreacting to the last fight. I apologize. I didn't mean to
I mean, you don't need to apologize to me, but what I want to know is the defendant provided us text messages where you guys had squared away the utilities and you admitted you made a mistake in calculating it. And then a month later you said, you know what, I changed my mind. I went back and recalculated and you owe me more money. And I get the sense that every time there's a fight, all of a sudden now you owe me the money, or now I've recalculated it.
I was trying to be nice to her and help my grandkids. I have helped so many, and they have taken from me and never have given back, not even helping me do things.
How many months of utilities do you believe were unpaid?
There were August, and then if you count September, even though we were out by the 10th.
You were there for part of September and for August, and you admit that
Yes.
you didn't pay the utilities for that month. What about the swing set?
The swing set, we left all the pieces there, but we did not put it back up because before it was even taken down, which we had permission to do, we did not put it back up because it is unsafe. It was old, it was splintering, so we didn't feel that it would be safe to put it back up when my nephew's still over there and he could get hurt on it.
My last question is, did you file this lawsuit after she obtained the restraining order?
Yes.
Okay. I have nothing further.
Did you want to say something?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
what is it?
Before any of the confrontations or the amount of times that my mom repeatedly reminded Netalia that the condition for them to live there was to keep the area clean and picked up, because it is a history of Netalia's the places just get literally trashed.
I understand that you may consider this to be a significant issue.
Right, I'm just...
But it is not such an issue of gravitas, of gravity, that should undermine your relationship with your children. It should be settled in some other fashion.
But every time we thought something would get settled, then something else would happen.
Yeah, that life happens.
I understand that, Your Honor.
We're going to excuse the parties while we deliberate. Thank you very much.
We have reached a unanimous verdict, and it was really hard for us to put aside any of the emotional baggage that comes with cases that involve family members and really focus on the evidence. And so this is your suit, Ms. Green, so it is your burden to prove each and every claim. So we took it piece by piece and went with the fence repairs first. None of us really understood what we were looking at when it came to your video of your fence. We saw a fence there. You started off with a 4-foot fence when the defendant's family moved in. You have now a 6-foot fence. We don't think that there's enough damage or a big enough difference there to hold the defendant responsible for $3,000. So we're not awarding you that. The utilities for $864, you provided no documentation that you are owed $864. We only see text messages between you two. We needed actual bills. What we do know is that there's some money owed because you admitted, Ms. Harrell, that you did owe for utilities for the month of August, and also you stayed through, 10 days into September. So we're gonna give you a third, Ms. Green, of that month. So a total of $400 for utilities. Car payments, you waited too long. You waited too long. We think that this lawsuit as a whole is just really petty. It seems punitive. You let something go, and then when you're poked, you bring something back up. We don't think that's fair. So we're letting that go because you repoed the car. You had the car. It's enough. Done. Swing set repairs, again, petty. So we're not awarding you that.
It's money I have to put out for all that.
Are you gonna argue with me? I'm not gonna sit here and lecture you two. This was a petty lawsuit, one that you only instituted because there was a protective order that was filed against you. Whether that was dismissed, why are you still arguing with me? It's done. So let me get to the verdicts. The verdict is in favor of the plaintiff for $400. Good luck to the both of you.